Can you do Uber Eats delivery with walking in Canada? Now, I'm gonna read you a couple of statements here from the helpuber.com here. Now, there is a way to deliver on foot, but the huge caveat is that the areas where you can deliver on foot is Tokyo, Chiba, Saitama, Kanagawa, Osaka, Nagoya, Fukuoka, Kobe, Kyoto, and a lot of these other areas. But as you can see, all of these areas are in Japan. So if you are in Canada, you can't technically deliver on food. And even if you can find some way around it, you will need to fill out documents that you will get on this link here. So this is uber.com, GBGA. So you will need to submit documents here, and it's all in Japan. And you need to do things like identity verification, and you might need to submit your Japanese ID as well, which if you live in Canada, obviously you won't have a Japanese ID, of course, right? So the short answer is, can you do delivery walking in Canada? No, you cannot. Well, you can kind of force it, I guess. If you say you have a delivery with a bicycle, but you don't actually have a bicycle, you're just gonna walk, you can do that. But your customer or someone who you're delivering to will probably be pretty annoyed when the delivery is taking a long while because you're actually walking and not with a bicycle.